It's almost midnight.
Place is a goddamn pigsty.
Cleaning was never his strong suit.
Yeah, no kidding. What are you doing here?
It's my house, Mom.
You know what I mean. You shouldn't see it this way. I swear to God they better lock her lying junkie ass up.
Mom, you don't have to do this.
Just want to get it livable, buy you some decent carpet, cigarette burns everywhere.
Mom.
Get you out of that dorm room back home with your son.
Mom, just don't. Just stop cleaning, Mom. Mom, stop. He's not gonna make it!
What do you mean? What happened?
He was born with half a stomach and a hole in his heart. He's gonna die.
Don't say that. You're the only one this kid's got. If you don't believe he's gonna live, you might as well go down there and kill him yourself. Sorry. You need to see him, Jax.
I can't.
Why? Because he'll break your heart? It's called being a father.
For a day? Maybe a week?
You were born with the same heart defect your little brother had. Seems pretty sturdy to me. I came through hell, I landed on my feet. Your father was hit by a goddamn semi-truck. He was drugged 78 yards, and that bastard lived for 2 more days. Killers do not die easy.
No, Mom, they just die painfully.
Well, that's the Irish in us.
When you and Mom, sorry, Mom. When you and Dad, when you guys hooked up, did he ever mention anything about the club, what he wanted from it, his vision?
Well, his vision was, what it is. A brotherhood, a family.
Yeah? Running guns? Is that a brotherhood? He wanted that?
No, he never talked about that. Why?
I don't know, I found a box of old shit at storage unit. Bunch of pictures, journals. Honestly, things I never knew about him.
What kind of things?
Little I read, the whole concept for Sons of Anarchy wasn't supposed to be anything that it is now. It was something simpler. Social rebellion. A Harley commune. Real hippie shit.
We all had a lot of bright ideas back then. We were kids. Your dad became a man. Men take care of business.
Yeah, they do. Anyway, you should look up. I'll get cleaned up and I'll see you tomorrow, Mom.
Good night, darling.
Good night, Mom.
Good night.